Okay, so now that we've completed our starter and we know that volume means how much liquid is in a container at a given moment, and capacity means the maximum amount that it can hold, we can move on to question 1A, and it's asking how much liquid is in the tank and what is each jump on the measurement scale worth. So we can see where 0 is at the very bottom, where it would have nothing in it, and then we can see the 5 arrows representing 5 jumps from 0 up to 100 milliliters. So if you took 100 and you divided by 5, you would know that each jump is 20 milliliters. And the same thing between 100 and 200, there are 5 jumps at 20 milliliters each, and the same thing between 200 and 300. So what we need to do is go to our 100 line and jump by 20 to the line where the green liquid is. If we did that, it would be 120, 140, 160, and we would stop on the third line, which is equivalent to 160 milliliters, and that would be our answers for A and B. Question 1B, you get to label or draw your own scale in your book, like the one below. So you start at 0 and you go up to 300 milliliters, and it's a chance for you to do a volume and capacity scale. So make sure that each little jump that you go up is by 20 until you get to 100, and then you go from 120 up to 200 milliliters, and then from 220 up to 300 milliliters, and label each jump on your scale in your book. Okay, in question 2A, your scale is in liters this time, so it's a little bit different, and you have to do the same process. You look at where the 0 would be and how many jumps to get up to 1 liter or 1,000 milliliters. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps to get up there. So you have to take 1,000 liters divided by your 4 jumps equals 250 milliliters. And then you have to look at exactly how much liquid is in there, and it's about where the third jump would be, just under 1 liter. So 3 times your 250 milliliters would be 750 milliliters. Okay, your last question 2B, you have to draw your scale in your book again in liters this time and show where your 0 is, and each jump you will show 250 milliliters, then the next jump will be 500 milliliters, then 750 milliliters, then 1 liter. Then if you keep going, you'll have another 250 milliliters, another 500 milliliters, another 750 milliliters, and you'll be up to 2 liters. And finally, you do it one more time, and you will be up to 3 liters. So show what that looks like in your copybook.